R is the recommended pulse rate when exercising for a person X years of age. So pulse rate is R and X is the age of the person. And it says, what is the age? So I'm trying to find X in years of a person whose maximum recommended pulse rate when exercising is 140. So that's 140 equals 176 minus 0.8x. Normally I would clear my decimals first, but I don't want to turn that into 1400 and 1760. So I'm going to subtract 176 from both sides. And that's going to give me a negative 36 equals a negative 0.8x. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 10 to get rid of the negative signs. Not that it matters. And move that decimal. So this is 360 equals 8x. And then divide both sides by 8. And 8 will go into 360 4 times. 4 times 8 is 32. And then 2 from 6 is 4, and bring down a 0. So that's 5. So x equals a person's age of 45.